huge freight train is moving very fast down the tracks. Ahead, a large box truck is stuck and can't move. The train hits it with incredible force, tearing the truck apart instantly. Sparks fly, and a massive fireball bursts out from the wreck. The train starts to derail, with the first few cars lifting and twisting off the tracks, showing just how powerful these machines are. The lead locomotives and some of the following freight cars are thrown violently off the tracks. The engine flips sideways, scattering debris everywhere. Cargo from the train is thrown into the air, and thick smoke rises as the wreckage piles up. The scene shows how destructive a derailment can be. A large semi-trailer is stuck across the tracks. The train hits it in the middle, cutting the trailer in half. The contents of the trailer are scattered everywhere. Despite the impact, the massive train engine keeps moving forward, showing how much force it carries. This clip highlights how dangerous it is to misjudge time or distance. A camera captures a high-speed train approaching a car that tries to cross too late. The train hits the car almost immediately, tearing it apart. Only broken pieces are left behind, showing the enormous power of the locomotive. Inside a rail yard, a mistake with a track switch or a small defect causes freight cars to leave the rails. They slowly tip over to the side, creating a big mess. Safety is critical, even in controlled areas like rail yards. A freight train crashes into heavy construction machinery stuck on the tracks. The impact is sudden and violent, sending debris flying. In this case, the train's engine avoids a direct hit, preventing a total disaster. This footage shows how dangerous it is when large machinery blocks railway lines. A truck tries to cross the tracks but is hit by a fast-moving train. The locomotive tears through the truck's cab, scattering pieces everywhere. The power of the train is shocking, and this scene clearly demonstrates the risks of ignoring crossing warnings and signals. A freight train derails on a straight stretch of track. Friction and impact cause flames to rise high around the wrecked cars. The fiery scene is terrifying and highlights how some cargo can be extremely dangerous when involved in an accident. Train safety and speed control are crucial to prevent such incidents. A camera captures a train leaving the tracks from a very close perspective. The cars bend and fold as the train derails. The energy of the crash is intense and frightening, proving why a safe distance must always be kept around train tracks, especially during operations or filming. A large truck gets stuck while trying to cross a railway line. The train is approaching, and despite the truck's struggle, it can't move in time. This clip emphasizes the dangers of trucks getting caught on raised crossings or uneven surfaces, which can quickly lead to disaster if a train is near. When trains carry very long or heavy cargo, handling it improperly can cause loads to shift and tip over. This clip shows how a mismanaged or unsecured load can lead to accidents, making the train cars dangerous both on the tracks and nearby. A truck becomes trapped on the tracks, and the train strikes it, dragging it along the rails. The collision makes the accident even worse, scattering debris and increasing destruction. This footage is a warning about the consequences of not clearing the tracks immediately when stuck. A train moving faster than 150 kilometers per hour derails violently. The cars break apart, sending debris everywhere. The high speed makes the wreck even worse, showing how velocity greatly increases the risk of catastrophic accidents on rail lines. A person is seen using the train tracks in an unusual way, possibly moving goods or taking a shortcut. Even a simple action like this can turn ordinary tasks into extremely dangerous situations, as trains cannot stop quickly to avoid obstacles. Footage shows how impatient drivers trying to cross tracks often cause accidents. Even a few seconds of hesitation or poor judgment can lead to catastrophic collisions with trains, highlighting the importance of following all crossing signals and signs. A train breaks down on the track, forcing passengers to evacuate. Moments later, a second train arrives and crashes into the stationary train. What started as a small delay turns into a serious incident, emphasizing the importance of communication. Videos capture drivers making careless or unsafe decisions near railroad tracks. Ignoring rules or taking risks around trains can have deadly consequences. These clips remind everyone to be vigilant and respect train crossings at all times. A high-speed train navigates a busy and complicated rail junction. Excessive speed makes the situation very dangerous, increasing the risk of derailment or collision. Proper speed control and attention are vital to avoid accidents in such areas. Transporting extremely large items, like a windmill blade, requires precise planning to ensure it does not hit trackside obstacles. This footage shows the challenges involved in moving massive cargo on railways, highlighting the need for careful measurements and coordination. A truck is stuck on the tracks, but the driver abandons it just in time as the train approaches. Choosing to prioritize personal safety can save lives, even if the vehicle is destroyed. This clip shows the importance of acting quickly in emergencies. A train collides with a bus on the tracks. The impact is devastating, showing how quickly a dangerous situation can become life-threatening when large passenger vehicles fail to clear crossings. A driver narrowly avoids a train by escaping from their vehicle at the last moment. This footage shows how split-second decisions can mean the difference between life and death near train tracks. A sedan is left on the tracks too long, unable to move. Despite a small chance to clear it, the train hits, showing how even small vehicles can be completely destroyed if they block a train's path. Footage shows cars crossing tracks despite warning lights in places like Mexico. Ignoring these signals often leads to dangerous accidents, underlining the importance of obeying all railway crossing signs for safety. A train hits a semi-truck. While semi-trucks can overpower smaller vehicles, trains are almost unstoppable. This clip highlights that no matter how large or heavy a truck is, a train carries far more force and dominates in collisions. A driver or pedestrian panics as a train approaches too quickly. Sudden fear and unpreparedness can make situations much worse, showing why awareness and calm reactions near tracks are essential. After a big crash, the wreckage is extensive and repairs are costly. Taxpayers often pay for the damage, showing how accidents not only endanger lives, but also create economic consequences for communities. A series of train crashes are shown, each more chaotic than the last. The high-speed destruction is almost like watching a disaster unfold in fast motion, demonstrating the massive forces trains carry and the danger of mistakes. Despite chaotic wrecks, rail workers and engineers remain calm, inspecting crash sites and managing emergencies. Their composure and training prevent further accidents and show how professional response is critical during disasters. This clip is a strong warning about the risks of crossing railroad tracks without paying attention to signals and timing.